Good morning! What day is it today, guys?
February.
Robin Hill Day.
It's Sunday and we are going to Robin Hill.
Yeah, it's Robin Hill Day.
Say hello, Michael.
We're robbing the hill.
We're robbing the hill today. For those of you who don't live on the island, Robin Hill is like a family country park, like an adventure park thing. It's very cool. And we're going to see a show this afternoon. They've got a Brainiac science show on, so we've got tickets for that.
Blow shit up.
They blow shit up, so it should be a good day.
Hey, I thought we couldn't go.
Save the Sky Nuts till later. Sky Nuts.
Go nuts. Nuts guy. Right?
Yeah, rides.
Right.
We're going on a boat.
27, 28, 29, 30.
Worked out the cheat already.
There, only these small dudes can get there.
Okay, Floyd, you have fun with that.
Hey, Floyd. Ah, you can't get me.
Why must you not?
Hey, buddy. Hey, dude.
Can I take the first? I've got an idea.
What are you doing up there?
But I can put it in the
You're stuck.
I'm proud of him.
You're late. Hello. There's two peacocks. Peacocks.
There's the white one. So, there's the white one. If you look past the white one, there's the blue one. And then they're gonna do the...
I thought they're both men.
I mean, they can if they want.
I mean, true. I don't know if peacocks.
Evolution-wise, that's not going to do much for
Do you get gay peacocks?
Probably. I mean, look at them.
No, they're a bit flamboyant, aren't they?
Yeah. I think your brother's a gay peacock.
Tell him you said that.
Got on the internet.
I was going to say he's going to watch the vlog anyway.
Gay peacock.
Don't!
Don't wind him up, please.
Someone's going to do it, I think.
Toby.
What?
Hey.
Hi.
You're happy now, aren't you? This is what you wanted to see.
Excuse me.
He's not paying attention, look.
We get there. Males. Now the males are about a third size smaller than the females, therefore the females are bigger, they are stronger, they are far more aggressive. But they are the birds that get the easy jobs. The females, they sit up somewhere nice and high, and wait for the males to do all the hard work.
Watch the falconry display, that was really awesome. Mike's happy, that's what he wanted to see, that's his day made. To the point where we're going to come back and watch another one this afternoon. You playing football with a pine cone?
Also, it stains the bread.
Croissant.
Oh, the raspberry curd.
Yes, it is.
We're just stopping for a lunch break because
The one.
it's lunchtime, it's like 12 o'clock and everyone's hungry and tired already, so looking for some sandwiches.
Because Mum's the eldest, does she get the last two?
And we're going to go back
No point
to
in drinking both drinks at the same time, is there?
going to go back to the falconry later
Yeah.
because Mike wants to see them fly the peregrine falcon.
Because
I'm disowning this child.
Why do people hate this?
What have you done?
who wants a...
Look at me.
We're putting it in centre up.
You're disowned.
Why?
So can he do the clover tongue or not?
Yeah. Do the rah.
Hey.
I've never seen him do it.
Oh my god.
I can't do it. Can you go cross-eyed?
You do that
Look at the middle of your glasses.
and that at the same time.
Very good, you did it.
Did I?
It's much easier to do it on the inside of your lip. Well, there you go, it's just about got close, Lee.
Yeah, you can do it.
It's weird.
Who can whistle?
Feels weird.
Flo can't whistle. You wouldn't.
I'm using my tongue though.
No, that's fine. Yeah. It's like a teapot boiling.
Better way of
Like a kettle boiling. So
whistling.
we're going to go find another park now,
Another one.
I think. That's really good. It's that you jumped the wrong side of the camera.
I was about to flip that and then I
Alright,
realised
DJ
because there's a straw. It's got a bridge.
Waters are down there, so please don't go down the corner.
Huh?
Let's go down the corner. That's where it starts.
Or we could go down there with Toby. Woo! Go Tobes!
No, never again.
Do you not enjoy that one? How was that? Awful. Okay, but do you know where we are?
Toby.
Have you figured out where we are?
It's gonna be very big.
You found a dragonfly?
There's more of them. There's like hundreds of them.
There's no one there to raise them, and if you did,
Love this bridge.
Come on, take a picture of me like this.
Love this bridge. Nice. You're not long enough.
My teacher used to work here.
I know.
Do the music.
I wish I could be a perfect daughter, but I come back to the water, no matter how hard I try.
I just thought you meant Scottish. But thank you.
What's that? Before I chug it all?
What do you want to do or not? These guys, though, they are the perfect medium. Even his Latin name is Parabuteo unisync. They run like mini velociraptors. Oh, is there too many people? Are you scared today? He's like, I'm not scared, I'm just being lazy. You know, the best way to a bird's heart is through his stomach. So, bigger piece of food. How does that sound? Yeah, that sounds great, Dad. As you can see, he runs like a little mini velociraptor. He's like, I'm not using the wind very well today, Dad. Oh, you find it a bit difficult, mate. There's a good lad. Oh, mind yourself. Good God, you're really on one today, aren't you? The trouble is, where we've got just no breeze at the moment, this is a bird that really relies on the wind to help him. You can see him panting away already, bless him. He's trying.
You're in prime position there, aren't you?
And then a lovely big ice cream. Great, here we go. Oh! Give him a big round of applause. He comes in for
In the tunnel. I'm gonna ride it. Go. Giddy up. That was funny. I've done tasty rabbits. I'm just gonna lie down and have a nap.
Ah.
What's it going? Heads up.
Made a mistake, but then refuses to correct it. And what has she got? CO2! Oh! You know, some people use those for putting out fires. You up for it?
Yeah! Last time we got 25.
Count with me this time. 3, 2, 1.
Mike, look down. We're 10 metres above the ground. Woo! Look at this. Oh, 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 oh. What?
In a bit.